Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about Dash. Now, we're currently trading at 144.25 here on the daily chart. RSI and stochastics both in the 50s, basically neutral, but we need to be aware of this and we need to be concerned if we're going to reset these fully yet before we make our next move either higher or lower. So what are we looking at here on the daily chart, being aware of that? Well, we had a red day 2 days ago and we bounced right off this 50-day moving average yesterday, opened on it and then closed above it, but we rejected a high up here of around 148. So going forward, that's going to be our first area of resistance. You can see it was resistance for us in the past right here at your May 14th, and then back in March, 8 through 15 right here, you can see that was an area of resistance and a little bit of support here and a little bit of a support right here 3 days ago. So that's the main level to watch out for resistance. 150 is the big psychological level, but 148 is really technically what we're watching here. So above that, so break of that and hold would put us here at this upper trend line, which is probably going to be right around, I would say, the 155 area. You can see this upper trend line here that we have drawn from March till May. We rejected this a week ago. What you can see after we rode this 50-day moving average, broke the 148s, went up, hit that lower trend or upper trend line, and then it closed back down on this 50-day moving average. That trend line, we should be respecting that. We'll have to wait and see, but obviously we have to get past this 148 first. So that's where we're at on resistance-wise. Support-wise, this 50-day moving average, you can see, holds a lot of support for us. So that is going to be our main support going forward. That's currently trading right around 139.07. Below that, it is going to be down here at this 124. That seems far away, but it's really not. This week, you have right around a $10 expected move priced in, and by your June monthlies, right around a $14 expected move. So a $20 move in here is really not that far-fetched, and really it's only 2 times the expected move by this Friday, which could easily happen depending on RSI, volatility, all that good stuff. So really definitely not out of the question in the next couple of weeks, but it is just something to be aware of. If we do end up breaking down out of this 50-day moving average, it might get choppy in here. You never know, we might find something at 135, 130, etc., but it will be choppy in between here and the 124s if we do break below that 50-day moving average. So those are your levels to kind of keep an eye on in here. We mentioned that the IV is pricing in right around a $10 expected move by Friday, 14 by next week. But overall, your IV is relatively low. IV rank in here, 7. Raw IV only in the 70s, basically all throughout your expiration cycle. So the only thing you have to worry really about in here is your bid-ask spreads, and make sure you're not getting ripped off, make sure you're not overpaying for a premium, make sure you can get in and out easily. But really, everything is priced relatively cheap for the moves that you could or could not get in here. So again, keep an eye on the RSI stochastics on your daily chart. Watch this main trend here. See if we can break the 148s. That's going to be the main level area of concern. If we do break that, see if we respect that upper trend line. If not, see if we hold this 50-day. Below that, watch out for the 125s for your main support, and then keep an eye on your volatility. See if it kicks in at all, and maybe we can perhaps get a larger expected move by this week. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on social media. We have attached the links to our socials in the description, and we also have a swing trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.